Because of
Okay?
insistent public demand, pag-uusapan natin si Franklin Miano, ang pambansang fake guru.
Meron ng bagong bansag kaya. Actually, mas tama yan eh. I think fake guru is the correct meaning, correct term eh. Kasi nga, kung talagang ano yan, kung talagang magaling yan, sana yung mga estudyante niya, lahat yan kumikita, lahat yan hindi naghahanap ng refund. Some of these people just gave up. Don't give up mga kamatis, mga kaibigan na. Kung gusto nyo pong magreklamo, we are helping you dito sa Team CGI Kamatis namin na page. Hanapin nyo lang yan sa Facebook, tas makikita nyo na. And etong community na to talaga, kung gusto nyo magtrabaho sa freelancing and to start something na doon sa tinuturo ni Franklin Miano for absolutely free. Dito yan. Hindi ako yung magtuturo, syempre meron ditong mga tao na nagtuturo sila ng ayan hindi pala eto. Hintay na hindi pala si Franklin Scammer Business Fake Guru ano to? Tayo na hindi lang pala si Franklin Scammer. Madami yan. Checkin ko yan na sino kaya ito mga to. Madami yan talaga. Yan yung uso ngayon sa freelancing eh. Kasi nga, freelancing is such a new avenue of work dito sa Pilipinas that some people are taking advantage of it. Okay. Nakita nyo, ang dami na, di ba? May MSB, Hustlers United, di ba? Yung kay Tigidigs. Tuloy natin.
Lahat ng fake gurus ay may rags to riches story.
Okay.
Si Franklin Miano, syempre, istorya niyan, galing na naman siya sa hirap. Pero ngayon, sinasabi niya, abogado daw yung tatay niya. So, not really. Ang pinaka na-weirdohan ako sa video niya is ang video niyang How I Went From Broke to Millionaire in 90 days. Sabi niya, you can't make this up. He did this daw by being in monk mode. I don't want to give him a platform, pero saying this in a straight face deserves your views. It's just insane. Dahil daw sa monk mode for 6 months na to, kumita siya ng 6 million pesos per month. I don't like saying
6 million per month? Putsang ina siya.
Crazy dahil I worked with mental health patients and they said the most insane things to me. So narinig ko na lahat. But this is beyond.
Pero mo, meron talagang mga taong nagwo-work sila ng 12 hours or 14 hours a day na hindi naman kumikita ng million per month, di ba? Again, yan kasi yung come on nung mga courses ni Franklin Miano. I have the secret sauce. I have the secret. You must buy it for 7K, di ba? Come on, why would you sell your secret for that amount of money? For example, I know some YouTube stuff na I would not share to anybody. Siguro may ganon. Pero, thing is, obvious naman yung ginagawa ko eh. But, then again, there are nuances dito sa pag-i-internet na tinuturo ko lang dun sa mga kaibigan ko. And kasi, hindi rin ako sure kung gagana talaga to eh. So, even though para sa akin gumagana siya, baka perception ko lang yun. So, nakakahiyang ibenta siya, i-package siya as course. Okay? Hindi kasi ko, I wanna believe that my integrity is still intact. Tuloy natin.
Insane. Pakipanood na lang, pero to give you an idea, ang monk mode ay basically work yourself to death at layuan nyo daw lahat ng tao. So, para kang nasa Bartolina, but voluntarily as someone that is educated and experienced in mental health. The only thing you might gain is mental illness and depression kung gagawin mo yan. So please, do not do this. So, dumako naman tayo sa main business niya. His main business now is called Multi-Servicing Business Academy.
Ayan meron daw siyang outsourcing business. Pero let's break it down na. Yung Frank Media is the outsourcing business. Pero yung MSB, it's not an outsourcing business. It teaches you outsourcing business, pero it's more of an academy. It's more of a school that teaches you an academy. Actually, I think ito yung sinasabi ni Tigidigi na digital product. Okay, ito yung digital product niya. Yung course niya is a digital product. So, it's really not outsourcing. So, yumaman talaga. So, kaya nga ang tanong ko, Franklin Miano, saan ka ba talaga yumaman? Saan galing yung pera mo? Hindi kasi ganito yan mga kamads, mga kaibigan. Hindi na kasi issue dito kung saan, kung ano kung may pera siya or wala eh. Of course meron. Meron yan. Yung camera niya sa kanya yon, I agree. Yung mga bahay at lupa niya, I agree. Kasi pag yan yung inikutan natin, madaling i-debunk yan. Kailangan nating ikutan kung saan nanggagaling yung pera. Is it from Frank Media? Is it from MSB? Or is it from the 8 businesses? Obviously, hindi na dito sa 8 businesses. So, dito na lang tayo sa dalawa. Okay? Sa Frank Media, edi dapat mga kasing laki, kung ganyan siya kayaman, dapat kasing laki yan ng mga malalaking outsourcing business. Which is yung mga BPO na yon. See? See the problem? Or dito sa MSB, ako kasi I'm putting my money on MSB. Lalong-lalo na may data siya na pinakita, yung 1,000 student a week. We have that data here. Sobrang dami. Alam mo nga yun, sobrang dami nating information dito na masarap ilatag ng dahan-dahan para ma-appreciate nyo yung vastness or yung problema na to. Kasi ang lumalabas kasi, baka kasi may mga bata na maingganyo sa sinasabi niya, when in fact, bullshit lang lahat. Of course, kumikita siya sa MSB. Kasi kung sa MSB lang yung kita niya, kung dito lang sa digital product yung kita niya, that's it. It's ano yan, ball game yan, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Tinatukoy na natin kung bakit siya mayaman. 'Di ba? Hindi dahil sa outsource lang, dahil din sa pagbebenta ng digital product through MSB. Tuloy natin kay ma'am.
Sabi dito sa website niya, na pagbukas ko pa lang, nagsusumigaw fake guru na, with this program, you get a tested and proven system that delivers results for Coach Frank, his students, and the community. According to the Federal Trade Commission, you can tell if
FDA.
business offer or coaching program is a scam if it promises guaranteed income,
Patay.
large returns,
Patay.
or a proven system. Nakalagay din sa website niya na we have uncovered a new best online business, parang mali, that has the ability
Wag niyong intindihin yung grammar, madam. Grammar is not the strongest suit ng mga tao na yan. Promise.
to earn your first 100,000 pesos in less than 30 days without money, skills, and experience.
Kita niyo kung gaano dapat kayong kilabutan doon. Yung citation niya sa FDA, pasok na pasok to. Tira pasok sa mga fake gurus and shit na ganyan. Tuloy.
So, sabi na naman ng FTC, the promoters typically claim you can make big money with little or no experience.
Yan, di ba? Yan, eksaktong this time, the promoter typically claim you can make big money with little or no experience. 6 digits lagi. 6 digits. Oh. Di ba? Sobrang pasok na pasok to, pare. Pasok sa banga. Tuloy. Tingnan mo pa yung citation ng FDA. You can make 5 to 6 figures if you follow our system. Oh, di ba? Learn from expert how to generate income. Yung mga verified coaches, you can be making money now. Guaranteed. 97%. Oh. Which means, di ba? See, this is how much this much this person is pulling our legs, mga fake guru and shit. Tuloy.
So, red flag yan. Kahit na walang word na guaranteed, this statement implies that. So, Frank, ba't mo naman
Actually,
kinumplit?
meron pong guaranteed si Franklin Miano dyan. 97%, di ba? Naalala niyan. Alala ko yan kasi may transcript ako niyan. Okay, tuloy natin.
Ito yung warnings ng FTC. But wait,
There's more.
Sabi sa website, Coach Franklin will give you the exact strategies, tactics, and methods that he used to design, build, scale, and automate his...
Yan yung build, scale, automate. Di ba yan yung sinabi niya kay Chinkitan? Anong nangyari dun sa mga business niya? Temporarily closed 3 years. See? At least ngayon makikita nyo na talaga yung scale ng bullshit na ginawa nitong si Franklin Mayano. Tuloy natin.
Eight-figure multi-servicing businesses. Again, kahit na kinumpleto na niya, meron pa. FTC said that scammers make it sound like it's easy to set up an online business and make money. And say that for a fee, they can show you how to do it. While enticing, it's not true. Hundreds of thousands have learned this the hard way.
Oh, 'di ba? See? So anong moral lesson nito mga kamatis, mga kaibigan? Number one is to stay in school and try to graduate, try to figure out life through critical thinking. Kasi yung mga taong nai-entice talaga dito, akala nila kasi mangyayari yung nangyayari kay Franklin Mayano, nangyayari din sa inyo. Tandaan nyo, ang iba sa inyo na wala sa kanya is may online course siya. Kayo wala. Meron kayo, pag i-slavein kayo ng pag-freelance or kakausap kayo ng kakausap ng mga tao. Bukas mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, meron tayong featured MSB student na naman. Intay lang. Abang-abang as usual. Yun lang naman sa akin. And by the way, panoorin niyo po itong presentation ni Ma'am Invested Lifestyle. Napakaganda po nito. Gege mga lods.